Hello everyone, it's 8:12 in the morning on Thursday, March 20, 2025. So I'm driving to work as usual, and this is a long way to work, the scenery that I'm showing you. And today there was this cool car on the side of the road. I think it's so cute. So I'm taking this to show you guys too. Was busy at work. When I'm done, about to go home, but my car couldn't start, so thank goodness that my husband bought this jump start machine that can also like fill the air for the tire too. So it's very helpful. I was using that to jump start my car, and only one press the car just like got right back onto work again. So now I'm good to go home. So I'm driving back home. I finished at 6. When I got home, I did some practice massage with my husband. After that, I was making some dinner. So tonight I am making pad thai. So I'm stir fry some egg first, and then stir fry noodle with shrimp and vegetables. So this is what I got. After that, I also make the meatball, so the one that I usually put with my noodle. And then when we're done with that, we did some yoga. And so today is about like 30 minutes yoga, and when we're done, went to take shower and go to bed. That's it for today. Have a wonderful night. Bye bye, see you tomorrow.